We're here at the Canal Farm Shopping Center. Just completed a 25,000 square foot bird exclusion netting job. It's a little loud here, but as you can see, we installed a lot of net. Professional bird work at its best, done by advanced AIPMs and bird barrier, and the help of SoCal bees and birds. Big shout out to thanks to Scott and Mike. We're proud of this job. The birds have been nesting here for years. All the birds were removed, all the ineffective bird spikes removed, everything was cleaned, power washed, removing all the pheromones and the bird droppings, and all the net installed. That's not all. This was a huge project. Took roughly 10 days to complete. Dimensions on these were roughly 2,500 linear feet by 10 feet in total net that was installed. Advanced AIPM. Here's the professionals as we speak. Greg Alonzo, Sean Studley. Yes, that is his real name, but he is Studley. Those were the guys right there that did this job. Had some challenges. Had to box some things in. Turned out really clean. Turned out really clean. It's a great looking job. Like I said, this is a huge bird job. This is a huge project. Have confidence knowing that advanced AIPM is capable of taking care of even the biggest bird exclusion scenarios, not just installing netting, but really coming out and assessing what problem you're having and what's going to be the best application to solve it when it comes to birds, bats, or even your standard general pest control. Again, we have another building here. We had these end caps that had to be taken care of, so we made sure we eliminated any and all access points that the birds could find getting back up inside, so they could no longer nest up underneath here. As you can see, it keeps going. It's another 200-foot run. 200 by 10 foot run that we completed. Again, you can see all the droppings are gone, and these businesses get a nice clean storefront without bird droppings all over it. And just when you thought we were finished, we had one more building we had to complete. This building here had a little more challenges than the others due to the bird blockers being missing at this location, so we had to use some other products from bird barrier, the PVC Mesh. It's a great product. We were able to trim it down to size real quick and easy. Able to custom fit these gaps. We're not all the same, but the mesh worked really well and we were able to utilize it and block off any other entry points that the birds may have found.